A lot of guys hit 30 and feel like they're supposed to magically have everything figured out. Money. Direction. Stability. But the truth is, your 30s are actually the best time to build the habits that make the rest of your life easier. Not because you're late. But because now you actually understand what matters. And the habits that make the biggest difference aren't complicated. They're simple. They're repeatable. And they work even if you're not earning a lot yet. The first habit is this: start tracking one number that actually matters to you. Not 10 numbers. Not a full spreadsheet. Just one. It could be your weekly spending. It could be your savings rate. It could be your debt balance. Pick the number that stresses you the most, and make it the one you watch. When you track one number, you stop guessing. You stop hoping. You stop avoiding. You start seeing patterns. And once you see patterns, you can change them. Most guys never build momentum because they're trying to manage everything at once. But one number is enough to shift your entire direction. The second habit is doing a weekly money check-in. Nothing intense. Nothing stressful. Just 10 minutes where you look at what happened last week and what's coming next. This one habit alone removes so much anxiety. Because the fear usually comes from not knowing. And when you know what's going on, even if it's not perfect, you feel more in control. A weekly check-in also stops small problems from becoming big ones. You catch things early. You adjust faster. You stay aware without obsessing. And awareness is what builds confidence. The third habit is building a no-think system. This is where you automate the things you don't want to rely on willpower for. Saving. Paying bills. Moving money where it needs to go. Anything that happens automatically is something you don't have to fight yourself about. A no-think system protects you from your tired days. Your stressed days. Your distracted days. It keeps you consistent even when life gets messy. And consistency is what actually builds wealth over time. These three habits, tracking one number, doing a weekly check-in, and building a no-think system, are simple. But they change everything. Because they shift you from reacting to choosing. From drifting to directing. From hoping to building. Your 30s don't have to be the decade where you feel behind. They can be the decade where everything finally clicks. And it starts with habits that are small enough to repeat and strong enough to matter. If you want more videos like this, stick around. I post consistently.